Alright guys, putting on back. I'm going to be showing you how to make a little boat. So, first thing you're going to want is a car. Doesn't matter what the car is like. Get a perfectly cube. Doesn't matter what color. Anything here doesn't matter what color. Alright. And then after that, you put it in the front. Well, yeah. You put it down so it sticks together like this. So then if you want to get off, you can like you can put your finger inside of this little hole to try to get it off. So there we go. Oh, one thing you're gonna need is 2 Lego sharks. And then, so get a block like this. It could be any shape or any size. Well, not any shape, but it could be any size. Big, small. You're gonna want a boat. Probably gonna want the same boat as me. Then you're gonna want to get, you can get the same size as this one again, but I couldn't find the same piece, so I just got this. You put it on the front. You put it on the front. Yeah, there we go. Right. So you put it on the front. So now you have 2 cars like this. So you see the inside of the boat. So you get this piece. Any color, just to let you know. Get a piece like this, no matter what size. This piece on the front, or maybe on this side if you want. Get this piece, put it like this. Then when you see the boat, put it to where the bottom little green part is on the very bottom, and make sure it's on the middle of the boat. Put it like this. Then you're done with everything you basically need right here. Then try to get a block like this with a little hole in the middle. My new and improved little camera piece. Yeah, so get this. Have some little like block things around it. Has 8 of them. Yeah. So then, oh yeah, and then so if you look at this piece, put it on the one at the most front where you put this part. Put it right here. Then it looks like this right now. Get one of the sharks. This very top piece of the shark, the very top piece right here, gonna want to stick that on these 2 things. Boom. So once it's stuck on there, you can have the mouth open or closed. Then, where's my little shark? Oh, it's on the floor. Down there. Get this. Oh, and one thing, you have to get a red one and a blue one, stick it on the end corners of these pieces. And then get a shark, like another, the very top piece. If you want to, you can put it on any of them. You can put it on the middle, the top. I like to put it on the top, because if it goes fast, you would be like, because normally if it's not like that, he would be like this. And then he goes, what? So put them on. And I am gonna, wait, there's, what's inside of his mouth? Something inside, oh, what is that? What's inside of his mouth? Dude, it's not gum. Dude, it's It's the bras from the Little Mermaid toy pack we got. It was a long time ago. Oh yeah, you're gonna need a Ninja Turtle set to get this. Put it, if you have a blue line right here, I put a blue line. So you're gonna wanna put it on the back of the blue line, behind the blue line. So then it's surrounded by the blue line and the orange thing right here. Once it's surrounded, get the shark. Yeah, so then it will look like this right now. Put the shark back on the back. I don't know how he fell off there. Then the white one always goes first. And then you twist it, and then you cover the white piece with this. Then it looks like this. Then it looks like a kite. Whee! You get the bottom. See this little bottom thing? You stick. Yeah, it was like this. This piece right here. This piece right here. This long strip on the bottom right here. You're gonna want to stick on this.
It's fine if you break it.
You don't have to make it have the car, but the car helps it drive near. You need to stick that, get better grip on it. Oh, Mr. Sharky! Yeah, my bottom shark just fell off. Yeah, and it'll lean. But that part is the good part. Cause then, hold on. Oh, I did this. So I put the white piece on this part, so it was like this. Yeah, so then it should be like this. Stick it, and then it drives without like a back car. All the sharks are falling off. Just to let you know, the sharks don't fit so good. The yellow part goes on the back piece, and then the little pieces that it has on the back, the two of them will almost connect. Maybe you stick the pieces. No! Fell off. Everything's gonna fall off. So there are attachable modes. I'm gonna take off the mode, so then it's easier. Alright, so now it's just an ordinary cool boat, but then I'll make this piece. So it's gonna look like this right now. Get this one. Oh, this one has a broken wheel. I don't know where the other part of the wheel went. I've been missing that wheel for a while. I don't actually have a lot of Lego cars. All my Lego cars were either destroyed or lost. So I'm missing a lot of those. Comment down below if you think my little sister's tablet is annoying you. I'm gonna comment. No, I'm not gonna comment on my own video, but it's still annoying to me. How do you do this? Boom. Both modes finished. Now for the final. It looks like this. So now it's a driving car. Let's do this one. Now where's Mr. Sharky? Is it under my couch? No. Where is it? Is it under my backpack? Oh, here it is. There we go. And it is all done. This is now what it should look like in the inside. What are you watching? What the?
What?
What are you? What the heck are they doing?
I don't know.
What the heck?
They're popping balloons.
What are those? What are those? What are those?
Hungry because we have about 30, 40 minutes before we have to leave to go to the
Alright.
car.
Bye guys, hope you enjoyed the
Is
video.
your
Like,
guitar in your bag or in the car? Oh, in the garage.
yeah, peace out. Have a good day.
The best day of your life.
And make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below.